there's a lot of pressure as a center to play for the Lakers because of the history and all of the players that they've had, from Kareem to Shaq to Wilt. And I think the pressure is going to be even higher this time than when he was playing with Kobe. So Dwight's got to be ready to play. There's not that many options left for the center position for the Lakers to get. And I think